What is up, everybody? It's Alex again over here at Courtesy Jeep in Mesa with another one of our Courtesy Customs 4xe Wrangler builds. Just want to give you a little overview of the vehicle here. We've got a JKS 3.5-inch lift kit, which pairs perfectly with the weight rating on the 4xe turbo. We've also got a set of 35-inch Toyo RT Open Countries, best of both worlds between comfort and off-road capability, as well as a set of Fuel 20-inch wheels because you gotta have the looks. Up underneath here, make sure that we do a Fox pass-through stabilizer so you don't get resistance one way or another. Keep it comfort and sturdy. Got the JKS quick disconnects as well as a JKS adjustable track bar. That way we make sure everything's all nice and dialed in. Always pairing it with our Fox 2.0s, as well as the heavy-duty coils to compensate for the extra weight. Obviously, with the added lift, we got you some Predator series NFAB steps, which are a local favorite of ours. And then over here on the back, we got ourselves a full adjustable tire carrier. So now it'll handle that, and even if you wanted to upgrade to 37s, it'll handle that as well. Come check her out. You got power, style, efficiency. What more can you ask for? Even got here the blue rope to go with it because it's a 4xe. Gotta have it. Come on down to Courtesy Jeep in Mesa and put this dream in your driveway. Just ask for stock number J233900.